Hey guys, it's Vince from New Vintage USA. Today we're going to go over gauge options for your classic Ford Mustang from 1969 through 73. Now let's take a look at what we've got on the table here. We've got our 69 through 70 shown here in the factory panel, which looks really awesome. With our M153 modern muscle fitted in this kit, it really brings it over the top for a truly custom look found only at New Vintage USA. We've got our crisp white backlighting mixed with the throwback styling that you expect on a kit like this. Now let's talk about our 71 through 73 kit. Shown here in our Performance 2 3-in-1s, you're going to get the option to run all 6 gauges in one place. But say you've got the console set up in your vehicle, these are going to switch to a speedo tack, and then you have the option to mount your fuel or voltage in the center, and then you've got your console gauges where you have 3 other gauges that you can mount in the factory location. So however you see fit, you can mount those up for a truly custom look. Now let's talk more in general about gauge kits for the 1969 through 73 Ford Mustang from New Vintage USA. All kits are designed to fit right in the factory location, upgrading the style and function of your dash. Available kits offer the flexibility to move the gauges how you see fit for a truly custom look. Kits come complete with your choice of gauge style, mounting brackets, wiring harnesses, temp and pressure senders, bushing kits, gauge mounting clamps, and hardware. NVU gauges can operate on virtually any powertrain combination from old school carbs to modern engines driven by OE and aftermarket PCMs. Choose from a wide variety of styles that fit the theme of your build. From mild to wild, there's sure to be a style that's right for you. Bold graphics and LED backlighting make the gauges look great day or night. NVU has been known for decades as the leader in gauge design. The exciting styles make a bold statement without going over the top. Whether you're going for a retro vibe or an exciting modern look, we have something special for your ride. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on our OE, military, and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few things that push performance over the top. Wiring is simplified using our exclusive Phoenix direct drive wiring system that reduces wiring time by 75% and dramatically decreases installation errors. By far the cleanest wiring solution available, even a novice builder can get professional results that look just as good from the back as they do from the front. Simplify things even further using our Snap-Adapt plug-and-play harness for an even easier installation by plugging directly into your OE harness. All products are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your 69 through 73 cluster, look no further than New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.